Hi everyone, so let's make beetroot delight today. This beetroot delight sabji was so delicious that even my kids also ate it and they are picky eaters, let me tell you. So for that we need beetroot, jalapeno, broccoli florets. So the main important thing is to remove all the seeds from jalapeno and marinate it. This is the most important step. Do not skip that. Once you add salt, just stir it really well so that our salt is all over jalapeno. Now chop vegetable into small pieces. On the side, I'm heating up some mustard oil. When it reaches to highest smoky point, I'm going to turn off the flame, and once it's cooled down, I'm going to turn it back on. Now on the side, I'm just shredding some ginger and I'm using garlic paste, but you can substitute it with ginger, garlic, chili paste. Now my oil is medium hot. I'm going to add mustard seed, cumin, carom seed, and once they crackle, I'm supposed to add astafatida, but I forgot. But make sure you add it now. And once they crackle, we'll add our beetroot. And now stir it really well so that our ginger garlic is combined. Here I'm using frozen garlic, that's why it's in chunks, but if you have fresh, feel free to use it. Now I'm adding pinch of astafatida. Now in 1 to 2 minutes we'll add our spices, which is turmeric powder, coriander, cumin powder, salt and red chili powder. These are all the basic ingredients from our masala box. Nothing special over here. Now stir it really well so that our masalas are coated and cook it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, we don't want our masalas to get burnt, so at this point we'll add some water. Close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. We don't want it to get mushy, okay? Remember that. So once they are about to be cooked, that's when we will add our rest of the vegetables. So now they are about to be cooked. So at this point we'll add some broccoli, fennel powder, now add our jalapeno, now cook until our broccoli are little bit cooked. Now they are about to be cooked, so now I am adding crushed peanuts. Make sure they are crushed, not powder. This is important because we want chunks in the beetroot delight. So now they are done, our vegetable is done. So now let's add our amchur powder, black salt, garam masala and curry leaves. Sprinkle little bit, not too much, okay? Over here masalas, we don't want too much masalas over here. Sprinkle little bit of everything. Now it's ready. Now towards the end you are going to garnish it with some peanut powder, the chunky one, and the coriander leaves, and that's it. Now one important tip over here is, now you see that our curry is dry, our beetroot delight is dry. Either you can add some ghee or some olive oil. I have added 1 teaspoon of olive oil over here, this way it's not too dry. You can also do the same thing or you can have it with ghee, either way. Now you can serve it hot with chapati or puri. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns about our beetroot delight. I hope my video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.